Dreams sometimes come true, you just need not be afraid to take risks. Might be worth calling the dealer of this Maserati. So-called connoisseurs claim that the Maserati is constantly breaking down and unbearably expensive to maintain. But owners know that with good care, this car is quite reliable, and besides, it is not much more expensive than other sports cars in the same class. This applies primarily to the Maserati Coupe, which is significantly more reliable than its twin-turbo 3200 GT predecessor. Ferrari's 4.2-liter V8 only needs to be serviced every 20,000 miles, and thanks to the camshaft drive chain, there's no need for expensive timing belt replacements. Worn brakes and suspension joints are common problems in all powerful sports cars. Be careful with makeshift suspension or exhaust modifications. And for Maserati, it is important to thoroughly check all the functions of the electrical system, as control units are very expensive. Buy only well-maintained cars from serious previous owners. Keep your cool when you're behind the wheel. The expressive melody of the V8 is simply mesmerizing, and the most powerful thrust would be enough for a space rocket. You need to show firmness of character so as not to scream with joy every now and then as you gain maximum speed. Enjoying the work of a powerful motor can easily end up not only with a hefty fine for speeding, but also with the repair of worn parts. The latter should only be done by Maserati experts, only they have the special tool and the relevant experience. Which, by the way, pays well. The only consolation is that other sports cars in this league are by no means cheaper, but many of them are rather faceless. And they don't dream about faceless things.